Good morning. So it's a Monday morning. I'm not going to say I'm up bright and early, but I'm up early enough today. Just going to have a look at Monday's charts, see what is going on. Just a bit of a screen share here. So let's start off with OddCAD. That was an interesting open, wasn't it? Look at that for some manipulation and slippage. So it says it's coming down. Looks like it's coming down, doesn't it? So for me, that was a breach, that was a cross, entry one. That would have been my entry two. So I'm looking for a full breach of the upper Bollinger Band now. So I've got an alert on that. Euro GBP. Is this one going? Let's have a little nosy as well. Got quite a bit to come down for. Same thing for me. There was your breach. There was your cross. That was a nice entry. There was the first pullback, big old candle. I wasn't up at that point though, so it wasn't an entry. So now, same thing on this. I need a pullback through that upper Bollinger Band for me to look at that one. Euro USD is neither here nor there at the minute. Looks like it's coming down for a bit though. So this one, we got on this at the minute. Breach, cross, pullback. I'm going to need a deep pullback on this one. So set an alert on that one. And then that 1 hour should drop in. It's got a lot to head down for. It's quite consolidated. They do look a bit consolidatory though, don't they? Sideways price action. Where is this going? Flagging down into an area. So this says it's going up, but I'm more erring on these JPYs coming down, to be honest. So we'll see with this one. We'll see what happens when that comes in. So at the moment, it's had the Bollinger Band breach, so we'd be looking for a EMA cross to the upside. Because I haven't crossed quite, what I'm going to do, I've just crossed now, look, as she speaks. So I'm just going to set the cross of the short EMAs on that. So when that comes, if that comes back up, that'll give me a shout. If it's going down, we'll catch it in the other direction. What's this one? USD CAD is showing 5-minute bearish. What's this done? So the breach cross has had a good run already through the Asian. So I want a full reset on this. So I want a upper Bollinger Band hit on this one. Lovely. USD Chef, similar sort of thing, says it's going down. It's just had a breach at the minute though, but this leg has run up from sort of breach cross. Nice 21 there. It's had a breach. What's this doing? Yeah, I think it has had a breach, but I just don't like this price action here. Look, it's not made a decision after, has it? Can you see these breaches? Like nice run cross. Pullback's quite clean. Pull back into that. This is just fannying about. So what I'm going to do on that, this is where I'd use a trend line. And I don't use a trend line as a trend line. I'm just going to set one as an alarm. Just get my black bar of doom out of the way. I just set an alarm on that. And then all it means is when price comes through it, I might grab it and move it, grab it and move it, grab it and move it. Do you see what I mean? So that's all I do with that. It's not like oh, price has dropped through it, jump in it. This is neither here nor there. Look, I don't know what that's doing. What is that doing on the 1 hour? Yeah, a bit tatty price action. It's sort of stuck, isn't it? It's not really breaking above here on the 1 hour. We'll see. Still got room to trade it up though. We shall see. Oh, I don't want that trading that, was it or not? CAD JPY, same thing. It's got a lot of traffic to clear here. Look, might go to breach, cross, pullback. Not the prettiest price action, guys, if you're trading that one. I'd want this to start moving personally. Euro JPY, same sort of thing, refined with most of these. Yeah, they're doing the same sort of thing. Look, you've got a 5-minute out on this. So you want that to make a decision around what way it's going. You can either put a box around this price action and keep an eye on when it moves, or set up so your MTFTI alarm shows you when everything is bullish or bearish. Hang on, just had some weird shit happen. No idea why that happened. Got an update on one of the indicators. GBP Chef. Similar sort of thing. Look, it's got consolidation. It's showing nearly a 50-50 at the minute. So you want this coming into alignment. You can always have a look on the 30. See where it is. It's right on that long EMA. It's miles away from the long EMA there. So you want that to come back into whack. This one's just had its breach. It's had a long old run from down here. Look, breach, cross. Where's the first 21 hit? There, there. All below the long EMA though. So now on this one, if you were going to trade it, you would just want a cross to the upside with your EMAs. And you're probably doing something similar. Yep. It's a bit cleaner price action actually. The 1 minute's out, but it should come back in. Always make sure the 1 minute's in before you trade it. If this is out, don't trade it. Could be a sign of a reversal. So keep an eye on that. What's gold doing this morning? Gold showing bearish. I only trade crosses on here. So here's your breach, here's your cross. So I would want a Bollinger Band pullback on that and then a cross again. Don't mess about with that one nowadays. What else we got in here? So quick look at Chef. Chef JPY's got some stuff to go. Breach, cross. I want it to push through here really. Got some decent traffic to trade into up to about here. Probably get one decent hit out there. It has breach, cross. We want all this price action, to be honest, on the upper side of that long run in EMA. Let's just have a look at GCAD. GCAD looks like it's just starting its descent now. So it's had its breach, had its cross. So on this one, if you're trading it, well, if you're trading what I trade, I now just want pull back to my medium EMA. Then there'll be a trade for that. What's OddCAD doing? Because it's just flashing up at me. What's this doing? It's just having a pullback at the minute. So let's hit that short EMA. I want it to go through medium, to be honest. So there you go, guys. Bit of patience, bit of patience. Get your alarms on. Get your alarms on. Take your time. No rushing on a Monday morning. And like I say, this strategy, for those of you that don't know it, it just uses a Bollinger Band, 3 EMAs and multi-time frame alignment. So all we wait for is if you're going down, we wait for a breach of the upper, cross of the EMAs in, one retouch, away you go. If you're going the other way, you want a breach of the lower, cross to the upside, and Bob's your uncle in the other direction. Right, have a good trading day, guys.